Good morning, class. Beta, cameras on, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, beta. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, today we will study geography.
Today we will do geography, beta. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Avantika.
Good morning.
Good morning, Arushi.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
No, it is good morning. Parush, good morning only.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Okay. I hope you all have the books with you. But the cameras are not on. Please keep your cameras on. Keep your cameras on. What is the point? Teacher has switched on the camera and your cameras are not on. You people are not visible on the screen. Switch it
Ma'am,
on.
may I open after 2 minutes, ma'am? I'm going to get the book.
Huh?
Ma'am, I'm going to get the book. Ma'am, may I open it after 2 minutes?
Yes, yes, yes. What about others?
Ma'am, I am opening in 1 minute.
Ah.
Ma'am, I have opened my camera.
Okay. Okay. Very good. Vyom Sharma is attending for the first time, right?
No, ma'am.
No?
Yes, ma'am, I attended.
But maybe the camera was not on, so I could
Ma'am,
not.
don't switch on. Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am. We will do written work also today.
We will do?
Written work.
No, no. Written work we will not do.
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, you said green color cover for the civics notebook, no?
Yes, yes. It is not for your class. Let me rub it. So sorry. It was for the previous class that I had.
Ma'am, but now I have covered it.
With geography?
Green color.
Geography is with green only, no?
Ma'am,
No, ma'am.
civics.
You have said that we have to cover civics.
Ma'am, civics is with green.
And geography is with blue?
Ma'am, you haven't told us
You
yet.
haven't told about geography yet, but civics was green.
So this is for you as well, okay? If you can see, can you all look at the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Ah. Others also, beta, please keep the cameras on. Saksham, Khyati, Anshika, Shashank, Taran.
Ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, what you have told us that we have to do a map in which we have to mark all the states of India. So, ma'am, what we will do about, ma'am, Jammu and Kashmir, ma'am?
Jammu and Kashmir is a union territory, so that is a separate map that you have to do. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
Huh. You need to do both the maps, states and union territories, but separately. Okay? Fine. Okay, coming to the chapter. What is the name of the chapter, Jivyansh?
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Yes.
Ma'am, India.
You are not audible,
Ma'am, we were doing civics.
but today it is geography period today, beta.
Ma'am, first chapter name is India size and location.
Okay, the chapter number 1 is India, size and location. So what do you mean by size and what do you mean by location, Kinjal? What is meant by size? Anybody over here?
Ma'am, that how much our India is
Ma'am,
extended
that
in the
India is
Okay, Parush.
India with
Parush said how much is the extent?
size.
Wait, one by one. This way I won't be able to connect to you, Waldo. Parush gave the answer. So Parush, can you please repeat what you said?
Ma'am, I said that how much our country is extended in all the directions.
Yes, the extent of the country in the longitude and the latitude, we mean by that in the size, right? Right? This size is clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, when we say location, what exactly do we mean by location?
Ma'am, location means, ma'am, our India is located where on the world.
Oh, okay. Parush is again telling, when we say location, we mean to say that what is the position of India in the world, right? This is what you said?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh. Okay. Anybody else? Taran?
Ma'am, it refers that where India is situated in the world.
Exactly. Where the country is situated, what is the location of the country as per the longitude and the latitude, right? We all have done in previous classes that if we want to find the exact location of a place, we take the help of the longitudes and latitudes. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh.
Yes,
ma'am.
Fine. So size means that how big, how large is the country, and location means where exactly is what is the ideal location of the country when you look at the various countries of the world, right? Right? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
Yes,
tell
ma'am.
me one thing. See, today is a very general class, just to, know that how much of past learning you remember. Because this chapter is all about your previous knowledge that you already had. Okay? Right? Fine. So, my first question is, we all know that the world has been divided into two equal halves, right? Are they?
yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Cameras on, please. If your cameras are off, I am not interacting with the ones who are not having the cameras on. I will consider them as absent in the class.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, in my area the net is slow, so ma'am, can you excuse me for one class?
Okay, fine. I'll excuse you for this class, but next time make sure that your camera is on.
Yes,
Bhavya?
ma'am.
Okay, only those whose cameras are on, my questions will be only for them. Okay, and if the camera goes off, I will consider you are not interested in the class. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, Shreya.
Ma'am, there is network issue, so those camera call.
Beta, even I am facing this network issue, but have I switched on off the camera of my class? Tell me.
No, ma'am.
I am also facing the same problem. No, it is fine. What will happen? Maximum.
Okay, ma'am.
And video will be paused. We will get disconnected and we will
take you
unable
in.
to study.
I will take you in again. Where is the problem? Right? See, genuine things I always consider. You see, you know me very well. No, I am not a kind of person who raises questions unnecessarily. Fine. So for me, I understand. No, everybody has something or the other. No problems are there. I understand this. Online classes are not very easy classes. But then when I say cameras on, I mean cameras on only. Last year you did whatever you wanted, but this year no excuses. You all must be well prepared for these online classes. You know, cases are increasing. Okay.
Ma'am, yesterday India crossed 1,20,000 cases.
हाँ बेटा कल तो बहुत ज्यादा थे. 2 days back 1 lakh cases were registered in a day's time. That was the peak point. Now to every day it is increasing. We need to
And
be
ma'am, Bareilly top 10. Ma'am, Bareilly is in top 10 of.
Bareilly yesterday 67 cases were registered. You know, we need to be very careful, beta. If you go out, take proper precautions.
Yes,
Avoid
ma'am.
going out at all. Okay.
And ma'am, mostly of them are ma'am those who have taken ma'am second dose also of vaccine.
Maybe their
Yes,
immunity
ma'am.
is not very strong. Maybe the immunity is not very strong. Maybe they are aged. There are several factors, no, which we have to consider. Okay.
And the reason behind that, ma'am, when we take that vaccine, ma'am, antibodies started making in our ma'am body, and ma'am then immunity is decreased.
Exactly.
And ma'am after second dose, ma'am it is more decreased. Ma'am, that's why.
You are right. Maybe I have know this thing about it, but maybe age factor and several things are there where you know these things are considered. Okay. Acha chalo, back to the class. Fine.
Ma'am, you have also got your vaccine, ma'am.
No, this Saturday most probably I'll go for my vaccination. Though I'm little scared to go for it, but
Ma'am, you are 45 above.
no, I'm not 45 above.
Ma'am is of 27.
No, Jivyansh, I'll be 40.
No, ma'am, you are sweet 16.
Tarun, I'm flattered. Okay. Chalo, jokes apart. I will be 45 this year. Okay. Fine. Okay. So my question is regarding the location part. Okay. Not exact location. Now tell me, see, I was asking you one thing. We all have read about globe. We have read about the earth, imaginary lines and everything, right? So tell me, name the imaginary line. Okay, Mihika will answer this question. Mihika, can you hear me? Mihika is not able to hear, I believe. Okay. Let us have Arushi. Arushi, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me that latitude which divides the earth into 2 equal halves. That imaginary line of latitude that divides the earth into 2 equal halves.
Ma'am, prime meridian.
No, I said latitude.
Ma'am, may
Okay.
I?
Ma'am, may I?
Atharv.
Ma'am, equator.
Yes, Arushi, it is equator. Fine. Equator is a latitude, no? Fine. So I said name the latitude that divides the earth into 2 equal halves. Now tell me, India lies in which hemisphere? When you have divided the earth into 2 equal halves, so India lies in which hemisphere? आराध्य नहीं ऐसे नहीं बताना है, हम जिसको बोलेंगे वो बताएगा. आराध्य.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, India lies in which hemisphere?
Ma'am, the southern hemisphere.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, northern
Ma'am,
hemisphere.
may I say northern hemisphere?
Right?
Northern
Ma'am,
hemisphere.
completely northern hemisphere.
Ma'am, half
North is
country
above
lies in
equator.
northern and half in southern.
Okay, Taran, your camera is not on. How do I know you are only speaking?
No, ma'am, Australia lies in the southern hemisphere. I'm sorry.
Yes. Taran, camera on.
Ma'am, it is on.
Okay. Taran was giving the answer, right? Taran, tell. India lies in which hemisphere?
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, may I?
अच्छा चलो व्योम. Yes, व्योम.
In northern hemisphere. Ma'am, completely northern hemisphere.
Okay. India lies completely in the northern hemisphere. Now, first question was the imaginary line that divides the earth into two equal halves is equator. Second was India lies in which hemisphere? India lies completely in the northern hemisphere. Can you name the continent which lies both in the southern and the northern hemisphere? Ahana?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Africa.
Ahana?
May I?
Ahana?
Ma'am, Africa. Ma'am, Africa.
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 Ma'am,
Very
Africa.
Africa
Ma'am,
is
South America also.
no, no.
Yes,
Ma'am, a
ma'am.
part of South America.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Ma'am, the
Equator
country
passes
out of
to Ecuador, Venezuela.
Taran, it is fine, no issues. See, my question was the country that lies above the northern as well as the southern hemisphere. See, Africa, half of Africa is in north and half of Africa is in the southern part, right? For South America, very small portion of South America is in the northern portion, right? Right, Saksham?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So when we talk of the location of the country, we say that India is completely located in the southern hemisphere. And can you tell me India is part of which continent? Avantika. No, please, Avantika.
Ma'am, Asia.
Yes. And Asia is the largest continent, right? It is the largest.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Very. Yes, it is the largest continent. Now, can you tell me, Shivansh, can you tell me which latitude divides our Indian subcontinent into almost two equal halves?
Ma'am, yeah.
Yes, Shivansh?
Ma'am, Tropic of Cancer.
Yes, the Tropic of Cancer divides the Indian subcontinent into almost two equal halves. Very good. Okay. We have Kartikeya also in the class today with the camera on. Okay, fine. How is your bhaiya Kartik? Satvik is fine?
Yes,
He's preparing for his 12th? Okay, fine. Give my wishes to him, okay? Fine. My next question is Khyati. It is for Khyati. Khyati, can you tell me what is the location, exact location of India in the Asian continent? What is the exact location of India in the Asian continent? Like it lies in the northern part of Asia or eastern part of Asia or western part of Asia or the southern part of Asia. That way you have to tell. Yes, Khyati.
Northern West.
Are you sure?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes.
Ma'am, can I?
Okay,
Ma'am, may I?
Can I? May I?
Vyom.
May I?
Yes,
Please, may I?
Vyom.
Southern.
Exactly. It is in the southeast of the Asian continent. Okay. Fine, Khyati. See,
Yes,
if you will open your book, this first page, I am putting up questions from here. Okay. Keep it open with you so that you also have an idea of what I am asking you. Okay. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Ma'am, I remember it, ma'am, for the 4th class.
Since very good. This is really very nice. You know, that is why it is said, no, whatever is taught, you should always by heart all those things, because these are quite general concepts. Every time, even in the general studies also, you get these questions. For your competitive exams also, you get questions from, geography like this. Okay?
Ma'am,
Yeah, Bela, हाँ जी बच्चे बताइए.
ma'am, some part of Asia is also in southern.
What?
And some part of Asia is also in southern hemisphere.
No. Some of the islands are there. Some of the islands are there.
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ ठीक है चलिए fine. Now looking at the southern part of the country, can you tell me the three water bodies? Kartikeya will answer this question. Kartikeya, three water bodies that have surrounded the Indian subcontinent and makes India as a peninsula.
Three water body, ma'am, Arabian Sea.
Okay, where is Arabian Sea located?
Ma'am, Arabian Sea is near the Gujarat side.
Western part of the country, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
And
and
Bay of Bengal in
Bay of Bengal where?
Indian Ocean, ma'am, at the east side.
Okay, Bay of Bengal in the eastern part and the Indian Ocean in towards the south, right? Right? Okay. Can
Yes,
you
ma'am.
tell me, question for Arush. Arush, can you tell me which island is located in the southern part, southwestern part of Arabian Sea?
Ma'am, may I?
Nicobar Island.
No, Arush has to answer, no?
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, Andaman and Nicobar Islands.
बेटा हमारा क्वेश्चन क्या था?
Ma'am, may I answer?
Ma'am, may I answer?
ओके तरन तरन बताओ बेटा. हाँ
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
तरन I could not hear you.
Ma'am, Lakshadweep. Maldives is a separate country.
Lakshadweep
Yes,
Island,
ma'am.
Lakshadweep Islands and Maldives is a neighboring country, island neighboring country. Okay, fine. बेटा अधिराज कोई है अपनी क्लास में क्या?
Yes, ma'am.
कौन है? न्यू एडमिशन?
No, ma'am. It's me, ma'am.
कोई अधिराज आना चाह रहे हैं क्लास में? हम जानते नहीं है कौन है ये.
Ma'am, it. It's me.
ओके बोलो बेटा.
Ma'am, it's me. With the name of Adhiraj. Ma'am, I am joining from my laptop.
अच्छा अथर्व.
Adhar Verma.
अच्छा, so do I need to take you in?
Yes, ma'am.
But then two devices.
Yes, ma'am.
Two devices.
Ma'am, I will leave from this device then.
Okay, taken. Taken. Okay, where is Bhavya? Bhavya, switch on the camera. Okay, this was all about. Where is Bhavya? Acha, fine. Okay. Tell me, Bhavya, when we talk of the size of the country, India comes in which number? As per the size of the country, India stands on which ladder of size?
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am,
It is
may
the
I?
No, she has told it is the 7th largest country of the world. Can you tell me what is the land area that India covers?
Two nine three three.
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, may I tell?
Ma'am, may I?
Okay.
Ma'am, may I
Parush.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, from northern to south, ma'am, it covers, ma'am, 3,000 kilometers, and ma'am, from eastern to west, ma'am, it covers 2,000 kilometers.
No.
Ma'am, may I say?
Ma'am, may I try?
बताओ.
3.28 million. Ma'am, 3.28
Yes, ma'am.
million square kilometer.
Very good. It is 3.28 million square kilometers. I am asking about the area that is covered, that is within the Indian territory. So the area that we have of the mainland is 3.28 million
Million.
square kilometers.
Million square meter.
Yes.
kilometer.
Billion square kilometers, right?
Ma'am, 30.
This is the total land area that the country has. And because of this land area only, India is considered as the 7th largest country of the world. Which country is the first largest in the world?
Russia.
Russia.
Ma'am, Russia.
Russia.
And
USSR.
which is the fourth country? Fourth largest?
China.
Ma'am, China.
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 Canada.
No, fourth I am saying fourth. Second is Canada. Second largest.
Ma'am, I know the last country.
Ma'am,
Haan.
China.
China is the fourth
Ma'am, last
largest.
country is Japan.
Last country is
Vatican
Japan.
City.
Vatican City.
Vatican City is very exactly. It has got very less area, and you know when we talk about the population, also population is also very less over there. Hardly three or four people. Density of when we talk of the density of population, no people living per square kilometers. We have just 2 or 3 people living, not more than that. Okay.
Ma'am, do you know, ma'am, last year, ma'am, there was a news that on Andaman and Nicobar Island, ma'am, there are ma'am early humans.
What?
Yes, ma'am.
But where this news came? I never read this.
Ma'am, I have read on WhatsApp. Ma'am,
Fake news.
See, half the news, or half the messages that comes on WhatsApp, they are fake messages, you know. They have no authenticity.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Sometimes,
WhatsApp
you know,
University.
See, I'll tell you what
It is not possible.
I'll tell you what happens. See, anybody who is a new user of Android phone gets such kind of messages which were, you know, passed on in past. So that for that person, it is a new message. So that person passes on that message considering it is a fresh message. But those who have been using it for long, they know that it is not a new message. It is a fake message. Okay, whether it is an old message which has no authenticity in it, right?
Now,
Right, class?
Ma'am, I think he
Yes,
means
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
tribals live there.
Tribals are there, beta. Only tribals are there.
No, ma'am, not tribals. Ma'am, it was early humans only.
Early human? No.
Ma'am,
Yes,
early
ma'am.
humans were at
Tribals.
early time.
Ma'am, but it may be fake.
It may be fake. It may be fake. It may be fake. We cannot consider it, no? Can we? Can we consider it? We cannot consider it. Fine. Okay. How many of you know about the heat zones? Do you remember anything of the heat zones?
Ma'am,
Yes,
the
ma'am.
temperature zone.
Ma'am, tropical zone, temperate zone,
Ma'am,
frigid zone.
torrid zone.
Ma'am, temperate zone. Ma'am, frigid
Yes,
zone.
ma'am.
Ma'am, tropical zone.
Ma'am, torrid zone, temperate zone.
Ma'am, torrid, temperate, and frigid zone.
Very good. Okay, now coming to this temperate wala thing, tell me, wait, let me draw it on the board. Suppose this is Earth, this is 0 degree equator. These are TOC, Tropic of Cancer, TOCP, Tropic of Capricorn.
Topic of Capricorn.
Capricorn,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
Then we have the,
Ma'am, Antarctic Circle.
very good. Then we have,
Ma'am, Arctic
Arctic
Circle.
Circle.
Arctic Circle.
fine. Now can you tell me, what is this zone called?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
torrid
Ma'am,
zone.
temperate zone.
Ma'am,
Temperate
Torrid
zone.
zone.
Ma'am, temperate zone.
Torrid zone.
Ma'am,
Torrid
temperate
zone.
zone. Ma'am, temperate zone.
Torrid
This is
zone.
the torrid
Ma'am,
zone.
torrid zone.
Torrid zone.
Ma'am, torrid zone.
Yes. Now when we talk of these,
Ma'am, temperate zone.
Temperate zone.
Temperate zone.
These are
Temperate zone.
temperate zone.
these are the
Temperate zone.
temperate zone. Now what is the difference between torrid zone and the temperate zone? Can you tell?
Ma'am, torrid zones are more
Torrid
present
zones
in
are
the.
One
Ma'am,
There
temperate
is throughout
Ma'am,
all
torrid
temperate
zone.
zone.
person at a time. Saksham. Saksham.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ,
Ma'am,
tell.
in torrid zone, the summer is throughout all the year. But ma'am, in the temperate zone, summer and there is a moderate weather.
हाँ. We have moderate
Ma'am,
weather.
may I try?
Yes, yes. Please.
Ma'am, torrid zone receives the maximum sunlight, so it receives maximum heat because equator is present over there.
Exactly. See, torrid zone because it
The direct sunlight falls over
Does
the
direct
because
sun-
the equator passed through it.
see, direct sun falls here, so the regions which are closer to equator, they are very hot. They are considered to be very warm areas, very hot areas, right? And the duration between day and night is not very much. Almost equal duration is there. Okay, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And this
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
this region experiences only and only summers. No winters are there. Right?
Yes, ma'am. And ma'am, there are direct sun rays over it, ma'am.
Yes.
And because they are the closest to the sun.
Yes. And when we talk of the temperate zone, we know these temperate zones, they are little away from the equator. So they have moderate temperature. They are neither very hot nor very cold. So moderate temperature, moderate climate is experienced in these areas. But again, when we go as per the latitudes, when we consider the latitudes, the degree of distance from the sea, 0 degree, sea level hota hai na? When we measure the distance from the sea level, उसमें जब हम कंसिडर करते हैं तो sea level से जितना दूर होगा, higher होगा, तो वो higher altitude accordingly decide होता है. ठीक है? ठीक है? जैसे South is a very hot place. तमिलनाडु में बहुत गर्मी होती है because it is closer to the equator. ठीक है? Southern part है, but still South में भी there are certain hill stations. ठीक है? कर्नाटका में ऊटी हो गया आपका, फिर आपका तमिलनाडु में मुन्नार हो गया. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
तो ये जो है, अब जैसे sometimes you know students they ask this question कि मैम इतना गर्म इलाका है उसके बावजूद भी वहां पर जो है ठंडा क्यों है? तो जैसे हमारा जो बरेली है और हमारा जो नैनीताल है, they are almost on the same latitude. ठीक है? पर अगर हम सी लेवल से डिस्टेंस वो करते हैं, मेजर करते हैं, तो नैनीताल हायर एल्टीट्यूड पे है, बरेली लोअर एल्टीट्यूड पे है. ठीक है? इसीलिए बरेली में टेम्परेचर नॉर्मल रहता है और नैनीताल में एक्सट्रीम ऑफ टेम्परेचर हो जाता है इन विंटर्स. स्नोफॉल भी वहां पर होती है. ठीक है बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. This much is clear. Now, why I am telling you, I will tell you why I am asking you all these things. Now, which is the third zone that we have over here?
Ma'am, frigid zone.
Frigid zone.
Ma'am, frigid zone.
Because it does not receive
Where only
sunlight.
winters experience.
Ma'am, where only winters are there.
Where only, Now, tell me.
And because they do not receive sunlight.
Because they do not receive the direct, even the slanting sunlight is also not possible over there. That is why these two regions are considered as the cold regions of the world. Why, right?
Ma'am, they contains the North Pole and the South Pole, ma'am.
Yes. They have this is the North Pole, this is the South Pole, right? Now, when we talk of the distance, the duration of the day and night, because here the sun rays are not falling, so the duration of the day and night is 6 months. 6 months day and 6 months night.
Ma'am, night. Yes, ma'am.
Right? Both the poles areas which are there, southern and the northern poles, right? Now, why is it so?
Yes, ma'am.
Bhavya? Yes, tell me, why is it so that 6 months day and 6 months night is
Ma'am,
experienced?
can I tell?
नहीं, एक मिनट भव्या बताओ बेटा.
When the earth revolves.
Audible, Bhavya, you're not audible.
I'm not sure about the answer.
Tell.
I'm not sure about the answer.
Acha, you are not clear. Okay. Who will tell then?
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes, Divyansh, tell beta.
Ma'am, because it is the ma'am, it is on the top of earth, and ma'am, because of rotation of Earth, ma'am, there is 6 months day and 6 months night.
हाँ. Or if you
Ma'am, when the earth is very close to the sun, ma'am, then that's ma'am, then there will be ma'am day, ma'am the summer ma'am time, and ma'am when the earth is very far away from the sun, ma'am, that's why there is winter, ma'am.
अच्छा ये बताओ पोलर रीजन पे रात कब होती है, नॉर्दर्न पोल पे रात कब होती है, 6 मंथ्स रात, और 6 मंथ्स जो है डे कब होता है नॉर्दर्न पोल पे?
मैम लास्ट के 6 months मैम नाइट एंड मैम स्टार्टिंग के 6 months डे.
नहीं, पर कब कब? कैन यू टेल मी व्हेन?
From January to June.
जैसे हम कहते हैं भाई इंडिया में विंटर जो टाइम पीरियड है वो आपका अक्टूबर से शुरू हो जाता है, अक्टूबर नवंबर से शुरू हो जाता है, एंड इट लास्ट टिल फरवरी. ठीक है, हम यही तो मानते हैं.
Okay. Yeah,
तो
yes,
आप
ma'am.
मुझे बताओ कि पोलर रीजन्स में डे एंड नाइट का जो कॉन्सेप्ट है वो कैसे होता है, कब मतलब होता है? नॉर्दर्न पोल में
Ma'am,
कब डे होता
ma'am,
है, नॉर्दर्न पोल में कब नाइट एक्सपीरियंस करी जाती है फॉर 6 मंथ्स, ये बताओ आप हमको. अ बिग क्वेश्चन.
January to June day and July to December 9.
ऐसा
मतलब
मैम मेरा गेस
what is the concept, what is the theory behind it, January to June and June to this thing? Tell.
मैम may I tell
Tell beta.
मैम it may be from मैम October to Feb, October, November, December, and मैम January, February, मैम and March. मैम these 6 months will be night and मैम remaining 6 months will be day.
अच्छा ठीक है, आपने बताया ठीक, बट ये आपने कैसे निकाला ये बताओ हमें.
मैम because these months have winter and मैम the remaining months have summer. Ma'am, so in summer, ma'am, sun will come, and ma'am, in winter, sun will go. Ma'am, that's why night and day.
Why sun will come and why sun will go? That is all what I am asking. What is the theory behind it?
Ma'am, maybe because the sun is slanting so that the rays of the sun does not reaches the
no, ma'am.
poles.
Ma'am, our earth is at a slanting position, ma'am, so that's why, ma'am, when ma'am, in these months, ma'am, when the daytime is there, so ma'am, our earth comes very closer to the ma'am sun. That's why, ma'am, there is a day, 6 months.
You have
per
heard
day.
of the concept of rotation and
Ma'am,
revolution?
when North Poles like
Yes, ma'am.
You
Yes,
have heard
ma'am.
of rotation and revolution? When
Yes, ma'am.
When rotation
Yes, ma'am.
happens, what takes place?
Ma'am, the earth spin on its axis.
When the
Ma'am, day and night.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
day
day
and
and
night.
night.
When revolution takes place, revolution takes place, what happens?
Ma'am, the
when the
season
sun goes
changes.
around.
And winters
Yes,
and
the
summers.
season changes, right? The season changes.
Season changes.
Now, in this only the theory is there. See, we all know when the earth moves around the sun, revolution जब होता है अर्थ का sun के around, तो जब जो एक elliptical path है जो, which is not round actually, it is spiral है कुछ, इस तरीके का जो रास्ता है, spiral ही तो है ना? Spiral है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
इस स्पाइरल पाथ पे जब अर्थ घूमती है तो क्या होता है कि क्योंकि वो स्लैंटिंग है, तो जब नॉर्थ पोल के सामने जब सन नॉर्थ पोल के पास होता है तब सदर्न पोल में जो है आपका नाइट एक्सपीरियंस होती है, और जब सदर्न पोल जब सन को फेस करता है तब नॉर्दर्न पोल में रात होती है. दिस इज द थ्योरी बिहाइंड इट. आप भूल गए 6th क्लास में हम लोगों ने पढ़ा था रेवोल्यूशन and rotation. Revolution causes
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
the seasons and rotation causes day and night. Moving on its
मैम
axis.
SST का फर्स्ट चैप्टर था.
हाँ,
मैम SST का फर्स्ट चैप्टर था.
एग्जैक्टली. और बेटा ये हम इसीलिए रिवाइज करा रहे हैं क्योंकि आपको पता है इस चैप्टर में और इसके आगे आने वाले चैप्टर्स में देयर आर सेवरल थिंग्स व्हिच आर बेस्ड ऑन दीज बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स. अगर ये बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स आपके क्लियर नहीं होंगे तो आपका जो आपकी जो भी थ्योरीज है वो आप इम्प्लाई नहीं कर पाओगे. दैट इज व्हाई दिस फर्स्ट क्लास एंड सेकंड क्लास विल बी
Only
रिकैप्चुलेटिंग
1 minute is left.
previous knowledges that we have. क्या हुआ बेटा?
Ma'am, only 1 minute is left.
I know. Meeting will end any time, I believe, है ना?
No, ma'am, 3 minutes are
Yes,
left.
ma'am.
No.
Ma'am, in my PC, it is showing that less than 1 minute.
हाँ, Just
Yes,
for you.
ma'am, but the meeting time is over.